Hello friends, and welcome to a new DGPT update. First, as always, I need to say this is not financial advice, neither I'm financial advisor. And let's start. As you can see on my account I have 124 USDT, and like every day I need to activate my accelerators so they can start making money for me. Without referrals, it's very important to say you can buy up to 21 accelerators. So if you don't want to promote, you can buy up to 21 accelerator that will make you about 1,500 USDT monthly. Pure profit, yeah. And let's jump this step. And after 2 hours I come back to my account, 147 USDT. I'll refresh the page a few times so the accelerators that are finishing show result on profile page. 180 USDT. $190. At the moment there is a discount just for today. You can buy accelerators with 10% discount. So the one that costs 100 USDT you can buy it for 90, and the one that costs 200 USDT you can buy it for 180. So if you want to join DGPT, it's a good moment. Now we'll see the process of buying accelerators. First I need to transfer money from my account to task account. I will click on transfer, insert the amount I'm missing to purchase accelerator. Now on task account I have 180 USDT. I'll go to power and choose the one that usually costs 200 USDT, but today is 180. I will insert my password and deploy the accelerator so it will start running. As you can see, I'm a little bit over 90 US dollars daily, so this program is working fine for now, and I'm looking forward to reach my goal of 100 USDT daily. If you have any questions, you can join us on a Telegram group. It will be in video description. Also below the video you have details how to join DGPT if this is looking interesting to you. Today's discount, so the accelerator that costs 90 will make you 234 USDT. The one that costs 108 will make you 420 USDT in 2 months. See you. Bye bye.